Hi everyone, this video is about adding and subtracting algebraic terms. So in algebra, a term can be a number, a letter, which we in algebra call pronumeral, or a combination of both. We can simplify an expression being a collection of terms, either with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, anything like that. So it's kind of like a sentence of terms, by adding or subtracting the like terms. And this is the most important thing. We can only add or subtract like terms. What we mean by like terms are terms where they have exactly the same letters. So we can't add an X and a Y, for example, because they are not like terms. But we also can't add like an X and an XY, because even though both have X's, one of them also has a Y. So only adding and subtracting like terms if they have identical letters. So a few quick examples. Here we want to simplify the following expressions. What we mean by simplify is write it so it's like in a shorter way. This first example, we have 7x minus 5x plus x. So we have three terms here, and they all have x, so they are all like terms. So simply we're just going to do 7 minus 5, which is 2. And then in front of this x, seeing that there is no number sitting in front of the x, as we know that means technically there's a 1 sitting at the front. So 7 minus 5 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So this equals 3x. We don't make it 3x squared or 3x cubed or anything like that. When you're adding and subtracting, you do not change the letters. You only add and subtract the number in front of the letter, what we call the coefficient. Looking at question 2, we see that we have A's and B's in here this time. So let's focus one letter at a time. Let's first of all focus on the A's. So we have the 9A, and then we can't do anything with the B, but we can do something with the 3A. And note that this is saying minus 3a. We will look at the symbol that's in front of the term. So we're going to do 9a minus 3a, which equals 6a. And from that, we can now do the b's. We have 5b plus 4b, which would be equal to 9b. All right, we don't change it to 9b squared or anything like that. It's just 5b plus 4b. And now we have 6a plus 9b. What we cannot do is say, oh, and that's 15ab. Again, they are not like terms. We cannot combine them. That is your answer. That is in its simplest form. Lastly, looking at this one, we see that they all have a's. However, some of them are a squares. Some of them are just a's. So because they aren't identical, once again, they might as well be different letters at this point. So if we're looking at the like terms, first of all, we have 4a squared minus 6a squared. Again, looking at this symbol that's in front of the term. So 4a squared minus 6a squared equals negative 2a squared, because 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And then we do 6a plus a, which equals 7a. And as I said, they are not like terms a squared and a, so we can't add them together. We just leave it as that. Anyway, pretty simple one, pretty simple video, simple concept, only add and subtract like terms. Have fun.